Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable bold text in your Moto G84. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Moto G84 and you are wondering how to enable bold text. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G84 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here display. After click over display, we'll find there something say display size and text. After click over there, we'll find there something say bold text. If I turn on immediately my phone, everything going to be appear bold text, which is quite interesting. You can see now in my phone everything, all text is appear bold text. So within this simple way you can easily enable bold text in your Moto G84. Now you might be want to turn off bold text. You can go again in your Moto G84 settings section, click here display and click here display and size, and you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way you can easily enable or disable bold text in your Moto G84. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.